Good morning, everyone. Today we start with a new topic in English, which is long sounds of vowels. So we have learned that there are five vowels. Let us look at them first. They are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. So when we learn the vowels and the three-letter words, we use the short sound of these vowels. Like we learned A says A, E says A, I says E, O says O, and U says A. Okay. So now we are going to learn long sounds of these vowels. Like in some words, these A does not say A, but it says A. Okay. So we learn that is called the long sounds of these vowels. So first let us look at the long sound of vowel A. So you see few pictures here. The first one is a monkey. You call a monkey also an ape. Okay, so A-P-E, ape. So here you don't say app, you say ape. Okay, so that is the long sound of vowel A. A. So that is ape. And this is an angel. So here also you have A, but A does not take the sound A. It takes the sound A. So that is angel. So that is the long sound of vowel A. Then you can see this person wearing something on his clothes to protect his clothes while he is cooking. That is called an apron. Okay. So here also the first letter is A, but A does not sound A. It is not apron. It is apron. Okay. So again there is a long sound of vowel A. Then you can see this boy using an arrow and a bow. So when you want to hit something with the bow and arrow, you have to first aim. You have to make sure you have the correct point in your sight. So that is called aiming. Okay. So here also A takes the long sound A. So that is aim. So these are the this is the long sound of vowel A, which is A, like ape, angel, apron, aim. Okay. Next we are going to look at the long sound of vowel E. So here in the first picture you can see the sun setting. So we learned in term 2 the time of the day when the sun sets, it's called evening. Okay, evening. So you here also here the first letter is E, but E does not sound E. You don't say evening, you say evening. That is a long sound of vowel E. This bird is called an eagle. Okay, so here also the first letter is E and you say eagle. Okay, that is a long sound of vowel E. Here you can see this animal is called an eel. Okay, it is actually a kind of water animal. Okay, it lives in the sea, although it looks like a snail. So its name is eel. So here also the first letter is E, but you don't say L, you say eel. So that is a long sound of vowel E. And this is called the equal sign. Okay, you will use in math. When you do addition, subtraction, when you learn in class 1, you will be using this sign often. So that is called an equal sign. Here also the first letter is E and you don't call it equal. You call it equal. So here also the long sound of E comes into action. So these are some words where the long sound of vowel E comes. So evening, eagle, eel, equal. Okay. So next let us go to the long sound of vowel I. So the short sound of vowel I is E. But here you know this is eyes. So first letter is I and it is called eyes. Here it is ice cream. So here also the first letter is I and you call it ice cream. This is an iron box. You know you used to iron your clothes. So iron, even though it is I in the beginning, you don't call it eon, you call it iron. And this plant is called ivy. So the first letter here is I. You don't call it ivy, you call it ivy. So that is the long sound of vowel I. That is the long sound of vowel I. Next is long sound of vowel O. So when you say octopus, ostrich, so that is the short sound of vowel O. Here you are familiar with this shape. What is this shape? It is oval. Okay. So it is not oval, it is oval. Okay. And when you say, you can see the two windows are open. So you don't call it open, you say open. Okay, so that is the long sound of vowel O. O as in open, oval. Okay, so that is the long sound of vowel O. Short sound of vowel O is O. Okay, but long sound of vowel O is O. The last one is U. So when we say umbrella, up, we say the sound of U is A. But in long sound, the vowel sound is U. Okay, so these are all called utensils. So here the first letter is U, but you don't say utensil, you say utensil. So U, that is a long sound of vowel U. And this you would have watched in cartoons. It is called a unicorn. So the first letter is U and you call it unicorn. Here you can see all the kids dressed in similar dress which is called uniform. So you also used to wear uniform when you come to school. That is called a uniform. So here also the first letter is U, but you don't call it uniform. You say it uniform. Okay. So this word is use. So first letter is U. Okay, sometimes I use pencil to write. I use tomato to make curry. So use. So here also the first letter is U, but you call it, you spell it as use and don't pronounce it as us. Okay. So that is the long sound of vowel U, U. Alright. So let us look at the long sounds of these vowels once more. The long sound of vowel A is A, like ape, angel, apron, aim. Long sound of vowel E is E, evening, eagle, eel, equal. Long sound of vowel I is I, ice cream, ice, iron, ivy. Long sound of vowel O is O, oval, open. And lastly, the long sound of vowel U is U, utensil, unicorn, uniform, use. Okay, so please read your textbook, page number 1, and you will have all these pictures in there and you can read them. So hope you all understood. Thank you.